welcome back, and today we wanna share something. We wanna share how to make ice cream DIY. It's just 10 minutes. I'm Auni and this is my sister. I'm Ami. Hi. Let's get started. First, what we need is full cream milk. Now we put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we need 1 drop of essence vanilla. You can use whatever flavor you want, like strawberry, chocolate, but I want to use vanilla flavor. Now we need to stir it. Then we need to pour this milk into this Ziploc bag. Wait. Put it. And then we need some ice and some salt. We need to put the ice in the Ziploc bag, bigger one. Then we need to put some salt, all of it. And then we need to put the milk in here. And then we need to put some more ice. Now we need to shake it. I suggest to use some 1 towel because it's very cool. Magic. Shake 5 minutes. Now we need to shake it in 5 minutes. Now, time to see what happened. Are you excited to see? Yes. Wow, the ice cream looks nice. Why? Can we put it all? I want to taste it. Little bit. Then done. Now, if you want to make